Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So see that one in the previous class we are completed that question number 10. So we are going to continue that question number 11. So see that question students, what is the question number 11 is? Question number 11, what is that? Sin square theta plus sin square 60 theta plus 60 degrees plus sin square theta minus 60 degrees is equal to, that is the question. Sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 60 degrees plus sin square theta minus 60 degrees. So theta value is any value. So what is the answer they are asking? So for example, I am taking that theta is equal to 0 degrees. What happens? Take that very easy one. I am taking that, put theta is equal to 0 degrees. What happens? Sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 60 degrees plus sin square theta minus 60 degrees. Sin square theta minus 60 degrees. What happens students? So this is equal to, this will become sin square 0 plus sin square 0 plus 60 is a 60 degrees plus sin square minus 60 degrees. So this is nothing but sin 0 degrees whole square plus sin 60 degrees whole square plus sin of minus 60 degrees whole square. So that implies sin 0 is 0 whole square plus sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but a root 3 by 2 whole square plus sin of minus theta is a minus sin theta. So it will become minus root 3 by 2 whole square, minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So that implies 0 plus root 3 by 2 is nothing but a 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So what it will become students? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is nothing but 2 into 3 by 2, 2 into 3 by 4. So it will become 3 by 2. So this is the formula students actually. So sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 60 plus sin square theta minus 60 value is 3 by 2. Theta is any angle. Theta is any angle. So then it will become sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 60 plus sin square theta minus 60 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So see that question students. So try the question number 12. So that type of question we have did in the previous trigonometric ratios. So try that question students. Cot 20 is given. So calculate some values. So all the terms you have to convert in terms of a cot. Okay. So see the question number 13. So before starting this question number 13, so you have to remember one formula. So what is that? Componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo is nothing but if A by B is equal to C by D. What is the componendo and dividendo? Componendo and dividendo. What is the formula is that if A by B is equal to C by D, if E is in the form, you can use this as A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So this is one property is there. So that property is called componendo and dividendo. So what is that formula students? So A by B is equal to C by D. We can written as A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. Okay. So this is the condition we are going to use in number of questions. So see this question students. See the question number 13. So what is the question number 13 is? So see that question, if tan beta is equal to cos theta into tan alpha. So then they are asking cot square theta by 2. They are asking cot square theta by 2. Okay, so this is the condition they are asking. So see this question, students, how to calculate this one. This condition is given, they are asking this value is how to calculate this value. So see this one. First of all, I will take that tan beta by tan alpha is equal to cos theta, and I will take the reciprocals. What happens? It will become tan alpha by tan beta is equal to 1 by cos theta by componendo and dividendo. I am using that component of dividendo. What is the formula, students? A by B is equal to C by D. It is in the form of A by B is equal to C by D. So what is the formula? A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So how can you written this, students? This can be written as tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha minus tan beta, so that is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So this is the formula. I am already given that. See in the synopsis, that is the fourth synopsis. So that is nothing but sin alpha plus beta by sin alpha minus beta. Value is nothing but tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha minus tan beta. So this is the formula. I am already given that. So see this one, sin alpha plus I am given the proof also this. Okay, so sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha minus tan beta. So here, and also one more formula in the half angle formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula, already you know that cos 2 theta formula. From that one, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. If you take the half angles, in the place of theta, if you can take theta by 2, it will become 1 plus cos theta is equal to, it will become 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. It is the one formula. Similarly, 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. In the place of theta, replace theta by 2. It will become 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so here I am going to use this formula. So tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha minus tan beta, it will become sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta value is 2 cos square theta by 2 by 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. So what happens, students? 2 will be cancelled. That implies sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta. Cos square by sin square. It can be written as cos by sin. So that is nothing but cos theta by 2. So you can written as directly. So that is nothing but cot square theta by 2. So what is the question is cot square theta by 2 value they are asking. So what is the answer, students? Sin alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta. So see this one. So all the formulas, what is the formulas we are used in the problem? See that formulas. What is the formulas we are used here? First one, tan beta by tan alpha is equal to cos theta. Take the reciprocals, it will become 1 by cos theta. Apply the componendo and dividendo formula. So what is that formula? A plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. C plus d by c minus d. So tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha minus tan beta formula is sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta. Replace that value here. And 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta value is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2. And 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Cos square by sin square is nothing but a cot square theta by 2. So cot square theta by 2 is nothing but a sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta. Okay. So see that question, students. So try the question number 14. So see the question number 15. So what is the question number 15 is? So see the question number 15. The value of tan 130 degrees, tan of 130 degrees into tan 140 degrees. Tan 140 degrees. So see that question, students, how to change these values here. So first one, what we will do that, tan 130. So tan 130 we can written as tan of, in two models I will written that 90 plus 40. Yes sir, 90 plus 40 is 130 degrees, and also into tan 140. Tan 140 you can written as 180 minus 40 degrees. First one I am written as 90 plus, and the next one I am written as 180 minus. Okay. So see this one. Tan 90 plus theta, tan will convert into cot. 90 plus meaning is it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative, so it will become minus cot 40. Tan 90 is there, so 90 is there, so tan will convert into cot. 90 plus theta is nothing but it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative, into tan 180 is there, tan will remain the same. 180 minus meaning is it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative, so that implies minus of minus, it will become plus. Minus 1 by cot 40 is nothing but the tan 40 into minus tan 40 degrees. So minus will be cancelled, tan will be cancelled, it will become the 1 only, it will become 1. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the next formula, next one. So what is that value is? Sin 20 degrees minus sin 100 degrees plus sin 140 degrees. So what I am observed here, some formula is there. So what is that formula is? Sin theta, this is nothing but 180 minus theta. So see this one, what is the formula is here? Sin 20 degrees minus sin of 120 minus 20 degrees. This is sin of 120 plus 20 degrees. Yes or no? This is the formula. What is the formula? Sin theta plus sin 120 plus theta minus sin of 120 minus theta. That is 0. Yes or no? So we are proved in the 240s. Okay. So see this one, how to calculate this? Sin 20 degrees plus sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. What is the formula, students? 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b. So 2 cos 120 degrees into sin 20 degrees. So that is nothing but sin 20 degrees plus 2 into cos 120. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2 into sin 20. So that implies this 2 will be cancelled. It will become sin 20 minus sin 20. So it will become 0. So what is the formula, students? See that sin theta minus sin of 120 minus theta plus sin of 120 plus theta, so it will become 0. Similarly, sin theta minus sin of 240 minus theta plus sin of 240 plus theta, so it is also 0. So see these two formulas, sin theta minus sin of 120 minus theta plus sin of 120 plus theta is 0. Sin theta minus sin 240 minus theta plus sin 240 plus theta, both are zeros. So this formula, if you know this formula, you will get in one step answer. If you know this formula, you will get the question in one step answer. Okay, so see that question, students. So see the next one. See the next formula, students. So see the question number 17. So what is the question number 17 is? So the question number 17, what is that one? Cos 42 degrees plus cos of 78 degrees plus cos of 162 degrees. Cos 42 plus cos 78 plus cos 162 degrees. So see this question, students, how to solve this question here. So what we will do that, first you have to identify cos 42 degrees, cos 78. What is this cos 78? Is nothing but cos of 120 minus 42. Yes or no? 120 minus 42 is 78, and also plus cos of this 162 is nothing but 120 plus 42 degrees. Yes or no, students? So I am changed the problem into this form. So what is the formula here? See this one first. Cos 42 degrees plus cos 120 minus. So see this formula, students. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is nothing but 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is nothing but 2 cos a cos b. So that implies cos 42 degrees plus 2 into cos 120. Cos 120 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into cos 42 degrees. So that implies cos 42 degrees, 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled. It will become minus cos 42 degrees. Cos 42 minus cos 42, it will become 0. It will become 0. So here we got one more formula. So what is that? See here, students, what is the formula here we are going to use? So that is nothing but cos theta plus cos 120 minus theta plus cos 120 plus theta is equal to 0. What is the formula? Cos theta plus cos 120 minus theta plus cos 120 plus theta, it will become 0. And also this is also cos theta plus cos 240 degrees minus theta plus cos 240 degrees plus theta. This value is also 0. So two formulas, important formulas. It will reduce the time in the examination. It will reduce the time in the examination. So if you can identify these values, so it will be, you will get the problem easily. Okay, so see this question, students, and see the next question. See the next question, question number 18. So what is the question number 18 is? See that question, students. So what is that one is? Sin 40 degrees sine 40 degrees minus sine of 200 degrees plus sine of 280 degrees. 280 degrees. So see this question, students. So sine of 200 plus sine of 280 degrees. So how can you written this, students? How can you written that? So see this one. Sine 40 degrees sine 200. So this can be written as sine of 240 minus 40 degrees. So this 200 you can return 240 minus 40, 240 minus 40, and this 280 degrees we can return as sine of 240 plus 40 degrees, 240 plus 40 degrees. So I am given the formula. What is that? Sin theta minus sine of 240 minus theta plus sine of 240 plus theta. It will become 0. It will become 0 in one step answer. If you know the formula, it is a one step answer. Are understand, students? So that the formulas are very important. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the next question. Tan 65 minus tan 20 degrees minus tan 65 degrees into tan 20 degrees. So tan 65 minus tan 20. So we have to take a 65 minus 20 is nothing but a 45 degrees. So you have to take this type of problems. So what we will take that? 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. I am going to take tan. Why? Because 65 minus 20 is a 45. So that's why I am starting the problem with tan 45 is equal to tan of 65 degrees minus 20 degrees. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So that implies it is in the form of tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. What is the tan of a minus b formula? So you know that tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. 1 minus 1 plus tan a tan b, and I will take the denominator to this side. It will become 1 plus tan 65 degrees into tan 20 degrees is equal to tan 65 minus tan 20 degrees. So what we will do, students, take this term to that side. So what it will become? That implies tan 65 minus tan 20. Take this term to that side. It will become minus tan 65 tan 20. That is equal to 1. It will become the 1. Okay. So see that formula, students. 20. So what is the question number 20 is? So first see one formula, students. So if 2a plus b is equal to 2a plus b is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2, that is, what is the meaning of odd multiple of pi by 2? So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2. It's called odd multiples of pi by 2. If 2a plus b is equal to odd multiples of pi by 2, then tan a plus 2 tan b, 2 tan b, tan a plus 2 tan b, it will become tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b. So take this formula, students. If 2a plus b is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan a plus 2 tan b, it will become tan of a plus b. So see the next question, what is that? What is the condition is that? So they are asking that tan 100 plus 2 tan 70 degrees, 2 tan 70 degrees. Here 2a plus b is equal to 2a plus b. What is the 2a plus b? 2 into a value is 100 plus b value is 70 degrees. So then what happens, students? 200 plus 70, it will become 270 degrees is odd multiple of pi by 2. Why? Because 270 is nothing but a 3 pi by 2. Yes or no? It is a 3 pi by 2. So it is odd multiple of pi by 2. Then we can written as, that implies tan a plus 2 tan b, it will become tan of a plus b. So that implies, so therefore that implies tan a is nothing but 100 plus 2 into tan 70 degrees is equal to tan of 100 plus b is nothing but a 70 degrees, tan of a plus b. So that is nothing but tan of a plus b is nothing but tan 170 degrees. So tan 170 is nothing but, you can written as 180 minus 10. 170 you can written as 180 minus 10. So tan 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta is nothing but minus tan theta, minus tan theta. So see that question, students. See students, see the next question, question number 21. So what is the question number 21? So see that one. Tan 70 degrees minus tan 20 degrees is equal to k into cot 40 degrees. K into cot 40 degrees. Then what is the value of k is? So see students, so here it is in the form of tan a minus tan b. So here what we will take, that tan of 70 minus 20 is the 50 degrees. I will take that value first. So that is equal to tan of 50 degrees. I will written that in this form, that is nothing but 70 degrees minus 20 degrees. So tan 70 minus 20 is a tan 50. So I will take that tan of 50 degrees. 70 minus 20 is a 50. So I will start the problem with a tan 50 degrees. Tan 50 degrees you can written as a tan of 70 minus 20. So that is nothing but tan of a minus b formula. So we can expand that tan 70 degrees minus tan 20 degrees by 1 plus tan 70 degrees into tan 20 degrees. So that is nothing but here. So that implies tan 50 degrees. Tan 50 you can written as cot 90 minus 50 degrees. Yes or no? tan theta you can written as cot 90 minus theta. Sir, why you are written like this one? Why? Because the answer is in the form of cot 40. Yes or no, in terms of cot. So that's why I am taking the tan as a cot. So that implies cot 90 minus 50 is nothing but 40 degrees. Tan 70 degrees minus tan 20 degrees by 1 plus, already you know the formula, if a plus b is equal to pi by 2, then tan a into tan b is equal to 1. 70 plus 20 is 90 degrees. So a plus b is 90 degrees, tan a into tan b it will become 1. So it will become the 1 only here. So that implies, take this 1 plus 1 is a 2 to this side, it will become that 2 cot 40 degrees, so that is equal to tan 70 degrees minus tan 20 degrees. Tan 20 degrees. So what is the answer here, students? K is equal to, what is the K value? K value is 2. So therefore the answer K is equal to 2. Compare that with the given condition, you get the answer. K is equal to 2. So see that question, students. See the question number 22. So what is the question number 22 is? So cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal to tan x. So then what is the x value? What is the x value is? So see this question, students, what I will do that. So that implies tan x is equal to numerator and denominator I am going to divide with, already we know one formula. Anyone can tell that? Anyone can tell the formula, students? Tan of 45 plus a is equal to, tan of 45 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a, and also you have cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. I am already given the proof in the synopsis. See this one. Tan of 45 plus a is equal to cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. See here, what is this? So what is this? Cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. So that is nothing but the tan 45 plus 9 degrees. So that is equal to tan x. So that implies tan 54 degrees is equal to tan x. So that implies x is equal to 54 degrees. So you know these formula, it will become one step answer. Okay. So see that question, students. So try the question number 23. So try the question number 23. Okay. So see the question number 24. So what is the question number 24? So tan A is equal to 1 by 2, comma tan B is equal to 1 by 3. Tan A is equal to 1 by 2 and tan B is equal to 1 by 3. Then they are asking tan of A plus B. So tan of A plus B, easy question is that. So A plus B is equal to tan of A plus B, formula is that tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So that is nothing but tan A value is a 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So what is the LCM we will take, students? I will take the LCM is a 6. In the denominator also take the LCM is 6. 3 into 2 is a 6. That meaning is nothing but 6 minus 1 is 6. So cancel this value, students. 3 plus 2 by 6 minus 1, that is the 5 by 6 minus 1 is the 5, that is the 1. So tan of a plus b is equal to 1. What is the question is? So tan of a plus b value they are asking. What is the tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is 1. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the question number 25. So what is the question number 25 is? So sin 105. So sin 105 plus cos 105 degrees. Sin 105 degrees plus cos 105 degrees. So see this question, students. So sin 105. Sin 105 is nothing but sin of, how can you written this 105? That is 90 plus 15 degrees. Yes or no? So cos 105. What is the cos 105? Cos 105 you can written as 90 plus 15 degrees. So sin 90 plus theta, sin 90 plus theta, so that is nothing but cos theta. 90 plus meaning is it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sign is a positive, so you will take the plus. But 90 is there, sign will change it to the cos. Take the co-ratios, okay. So cos 90 plus 15, cos 90 plus 15 is nothing but 90 is there. So automatically what it will be changes, students? So that is nothing but minus sin 15 degrees. Why? Because 90 plus meaning is it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is a negative, so it will take the minus. 90 is there, take the cos co-ratio is a sin. Okay. So that is nothing but, what is the cos 15 degrees? So cos 15 is nothing but root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus, what is the sin root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and sin 15 value is nothing but root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So what we will do, students? So take the LCM 2 root 2. So took the LCM is a 2 root 2. So the numerator it will become that root 3 plus 1 minus, apply the minus, minus root 3 minus of minus, it will become plus 1. So what happens, students? Root 3 and minus root 3 will be cancelled, and 1 plus 1, that is the 2 by 2 root 2. So the value will become the 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So see that question, students. అవును ఇంకోటి కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నా అవలే 50 అయింది. Question number 26. So see that question, students. What is the question number 26 is cos square 45 degrees, cos square 45 degrees minus sin square 15 degrees, sin square 15 degrees. So already you know the formula, students. What is that formula? Is cos square a minus sin square b. What is the formula? Cos square a minus sin square b. What is the formula? Is that cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So and also you have one more formula is there, sin square a minus sin square b. What is that? Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So these two formulas we are going here. Okay. So cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b. How can you written these, students? So cos of a plus b. A plus b is nothing but 45 degrees plus 15 degrees. So into cos of a minus b. A minus b is nothing but 45 degrees minus 15 degrees. So that implies cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees. So cos 60, what is the cos 60, students? That is the 1 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So the value will become root 3 by 4. root 3 by 4. So see that question, students. So cos square a minus sin square b. So that is nothing but cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So apply the formula, you will get the answer. So see the question number 27. That is also same question, students. So what is that? Sin square 52 degrees 52 and half degrees minus sin square 22 and half degrees. So sin square a minus sin square b, is nothing but sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So what happens, students, here? This will become sin of a plus b. Is nothing but 52 and half plus 22 and half. What happens, students? 52 plus 22 and half. It will become 75 degrees into sin 52 and half degrees minus 22 and half degrees. That is nothing but 30 degrees. So what is the sin 75? Sin 75 is nothing but cos 15. So what is that cos 15? Cos 15 value is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So what happens, students? It will become root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Okay. So see that question, students. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. So see that questions.